everyone, welcome to GardenHula channel. Today we're doing a video on how to make the Soursop tea from fresh Soursop leaf. Come with me so we can pick some Soursop leaf. I have around three total. This one probably like a year old. That one is 2.5. Let's pick some of the Soursop leaf so we can make tea. Yeah, we're going to choose the best looking one. Soursop leaf, maybe let's see, one more. All right. Now we have the leaf, and we're going to make tea of it. Alright, in order to make the Soursop tea, first of all, we need to have, a Soursop leaf. That's for sure. A bottle of water, hot water, a teapot, and 2 teacups. Alright, let's do it. Oh. Yeah, let me cut this in small pieces first, so we can put in the teapot holder. So we put everything in the pot holder first, and then we put in the teapot. Alright. So we use the hot water. Hot water. But if you don't have time to boil your water, the best way just put a cup of regular water in the microwave for a minute and 30 seconds or so. Depend on what kind of microwave that you have. Then you have your own hot water. Alright, so the tea is ready in 10 minutes. So that wait for like 10 minutes, and then we enjoy the tea. Welcome back. So let's enjoy the Soursop tea.
I see the color.
Yeah, the color changed a little bit to yellow. All right. Okay, so let's try the tea. Ooh. The taste flavor, a lot of green flavor in the tea, very strong flavor. Oh, the water too hot. All right. So that's how you make the Soursop tea from the fresh Soursop leaf. The taste is very strong. You literally can taste the green flavor